Happy New Year! I just wanted to share with you my very first planner from 2018 because I started it in January. That's when I first bought it. I just want to show you my progress and what I did. As you can see, the beginning, I was just placing stickers everywhere. There's no theme, no nothing at all. But the stickers were fun to look at and fun to use because they're very colorful. But as I move on, I kind of learned here and there, looking at Instagram pictures and watching YouTube videos, and it really gave me a lot of inspiration on how to design my spreads, and it made it really more interesting every time. So moving along, you can see that I now use this washi, and little by little I kind of coordinate the stickers and the washi so I can have some theme spreads. And this month of March is also when I decided to start a memory keeping planner, because I've kind of learned how to print pictures. So I said, well, it's going to be too crowded, too much in this Catchall Planner. So I went ahead and got me a memory keeping planner, which I'm still currently working on right now. I mean, I had it, but it's not complete. So then April 8th is when I actually created my Instagram account. So Our Planner Life was born this day. So July came, and then Happy Planner released some new planners that are 18 months that starts from July to the December of the following year. So I was kind of like, oh my gosh, there's this new planners, new designs, and they're all pretty. So at that moment, I only had this planner and I had the memory keeping. And I also noticed that it was too much on this one. So I went ahead and got the Squad Goals mini, and that became my go-to planner. So all my errands and just whatever I needed to do daily and what I need to remember to buy, it goes on there. This remained my Catchall planner. Then I had the memory keeping planner, so I have 3. Oh, actually I also have a budget planner, which I bought the beginning of the year with this one because that was really my very first goal, is to have a budget planner. I used to just write them in notebooks, or I've been doing that budget for a long time, but just papers scattered and they're not together. So when I saw the budget planner, I went ahead and got that, and then I ended up having to start this planner. So at this point I have about 4 planners going on. And then now I started to have some favorite weeks where I really like the stickers and the washis that I use. And also the currently part on here. In the beginning I wasn't using it, and then when I have time to reflect on what happened for the month, I complete it. And it feels good to look back and see what I was watching, what I was reading, what I was cooking, although I don't really cook. And whatever I did for that month, it's kind of just fun to look at a recap. Now this December, my husband gave me a bunch of stickers from his work, so I just went ahead and started using them. Oh, and for Christmas, my husband actually got me the Cricut machine, so I was so excited to use it. My very first one was when I made this sticker with my name on it. I just started to play around it, and so I kind of put him on here. And in the last week I didn't decorate because it's the same as the one on the new planner. So that's it, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Happy New Year!